Hey, what's up, people out there? This is me, Arjun, and today we are going to discuss about the lesson plan of commerce, and the topic is goodwill. So, as we know, our lesson plan starts with the date, which is at the left side of the page, and class, section, period, and duration are the right side of the page, and subject, topic, school name are at the center of the page. And our lesson plan starts with the general aim and specific objective, and some specific objectives like knowledge objective, understanding objective, experimental objective, attitude objective, etc. And after the specific objective, the next heading is teaching material. And teaching material, the materials like rollerboard, chart, pointer, flashcards, etc. are used while teaching. And after that, previous knowledge is the main heading, and students have basic knowledge about a topic. And then after, we have to ask introductory questions to the students. And the first question is, what is the main motive of the firm? And the student's response is to earn profit. And the next question is, how can firm earn more profit in the market? And student response is by gaining reputation. How reputation can be gained in the market? By providing better quality of products. And what is the other name of reputation in commerce? And there is no response by the students. So our topic is the goodwill, and the statement of the aim is today we will study about the meaning, features and valuation of goodwill. And after that, the presentation section is there, and in the presentation section there is main teaching points, people teacher activity, students response and conclusion. And in conclusion we have to write the Blackboard summary. So the first developing questions is, how can we attend more buyers to purchase things from our shops? So students response is by providing better quality products, or by providing better quality to the customers. So if firm provide better quality of products in the market, how it can be beneficial for the firm? There is no response from the side of students. And we have to start the meaning of goodwill. Goodwill is the good name of the business, and in accounting term it is nothing but expected future profit of any firm or business. So students are listening carefully, and we have to conclude it in a conclusion section. Goodwill is the good name of business. And the next question is, explain the features of goodwill on the basis of meaning of goodwill. So there is no response, and we have to explain the features of goodwill like intangible assets, established business. And the next is, reputation in the market makes more profit valuable only entire business sold. So how can we value our goods goodwill when we will sold our business? It can calculate using different methods. So the next is, name the methods that we use to calculate goodwill. So there is no response from the student side, and the methods to compute goodwill are average profit method, super profit method, capitalization method. So students are listening carefully, and we have to conclude it in a conclusion sections like average profit, super profit, capitalization. So after the presentation section, there is a new section is Blackboard summary, and in the Blackboard summary we have to attach the black paper in the page and write with the white sparkle pen like the lesson plan number 1 or whatever is it, and date, subject, topic, school name, class, section, period, duration as the same. And we have to conclude it in a black paper or Blackboard summary. So this is the Blackboard summary section. And after that, the writing and supervision. Teacher will roaming in the class and make them to noting down the homework assignment and Blackboard summary. And after that, the recapitulatory questions are there. What is the other name of reputations? Meaning of goodwill, features of goodwill, what are the methods to calculate goodwill, explain any one feature of goodwill. And after the recapitulatory questions, there is the home assignments to the students. So the question is, define goodwill, explain any three features of goodwill in detail. So this is the end, and thank you so much for watching. And please like, share and subscribe the video, and press the bell icon for the next update.